If you have ever stood in front of your vanity or scrolling online thinking, which serum do I actually need? Then this video is right for you. I would be clearing your confusion regarding serums. First rule, know your skin, not the trend. The biggest mistake I see is people buying serums because they are viral. But skincare doesn't work like that. Before choosing any serum, always ask, is my skin dry, oily, combination or sensitive? The second question that you need to ask is, what is my main concern right now? Choose your serum based on your skin concerns like acne, pigmentation, dull or tired skin. If your skin feels dull and lifeless, you need ingredients that boost glow and repair damage. Look for vitamin C, niacinamide or mild antioxidants. I personally avoid very high percentages because slow and steady works better. If you are dealing with acne, then don't jump into heavy actives immediately. Start with salicylic acid, niacinamide or tea tree in controlled amounts. And please remember, acne skin doesn't mean harsh products. Overdoing can worsen breakouts. For pigmentation and acne marks, consistency matters more than the strength. Ingredients like tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin or niacinamide works gradually. If your skin feels tight or stretchy, then hydration is missing. Look for hyaluronic acid, ceramides or glycerin. A serum should make your skin feel comfortable, not overly shiny or greasy. Texture matters more than your skin. I always say this, even if the active suits you, the texture doesn't, then no. If the texture doesn't suit your skin, then the serum won't work. Oily skin go for lightweight water-based serums. Dry skin go for slightly thicker milky texture. Sensitive skin go for fragrance-free minimal ingredients. Your skin should absorb the serum easily, not sit on top of it. Whenever you buy a new serum or checking online, check for the ingredient list. Turn the back of the packaging and always check what is inside your product. Words like brightening, glass skin, instant glow mean nothing if the ingredient doesn't support it. I personally look at the first 5 ingredients of any product. Keep in mind, more ingredients doesn't mean better results. This is something I learned the hard way. Using too many serums at the same time might confuse your skin. Start with one serum, use it consistently for at least 3 to 4 weeks, then decide if your skin actually needs something more. If a serum is trending or worked for your friend, then please do a patch test before using it on yourself. Healthy skin comes from consistency, gentle care, sunscreen, because when using actives on your face, your skin might tend to become sensitive to the sun. So sunscreen is non-negotiable. And a lot of patience. Serums support your skin. They don't replace your good habits. So always, you know what those good habits are. Drink adequate amount of water, eat a lot of fruits and veggies, blah blah blah, you know all that. For me, the best serum is the one that feels calm and happy with my skin. Not the most expensive serum or not the one which is so popular online, just the one that suits my skin needs. If this video helped you to understand serums better, then give this video a like and also share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. And also do comment your skin type and concerns. I will let you know the best product to suit you. Until then, take care.